Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Wave Payroll, a cloud-based payroll service that can help you save time and money. Before we get into the details of Wave Payroll, let's take a step back and talk about why payroll is important. Payroll is the process of calculating and paying employee wages, taxes, and benefits. It's a complex process that can be time-consuming and error-prone. If you're a small business owner, you probably know how important it is to manage your payroll costs. Payroll is one of the biggest expenses for most businesses. By using a payroll service like Wave, you can save money on labor costs and reduce the risk of errors. So, what is Wave Payroll? Wave Payroll is a cloud-based payroll service that makes it easy to manage your employees' paychecks, taxes, and benefits. Wave Payroll is affordable, easy to use, and packed with features that can help you save time and money. Features of Wave Payroll. Here are some of the key features of Wave Payroll. Easy to use. Wave Payroll is designed to be easy to use, even for non-accounting professionals. Affordable. Wave Payroll is one of the most affordable payroll services on the market. Cloud-based. Wave Payroll is cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere, at any time. Automatic tax calculations. Wave Payroll automatically calculates your employees' taxes, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes. Direct deposit. Wave Payroll can automatically deposit your employees' paychecks directly into their bank accounts. Time tracking. Wave Payroll can track your employees' time, so you can make sure they're getting paid for the work they do. Benefits administration. Wave Payroll can help you manage your employees' benefits, such as health insurance and retirement plans. Reporting. Wave Payroll can generate a variety of reports, such as payroll reports, tax reports, and employee reports. Benefits of using Wave Payroll. There are many benefits to using Wave Payroll. Here are a few of the most important. Save time. Wave Payroll can save you time by automating the payroll process. Save money. Wave Payroll can save you money on labor costs and reduce the risk of errors. Reduce stress. Wave Payroll can help you reduce the stress of managing payroll. Improve accuracy. Wave Payroll can help you improve the accuracy of your payroll calculations. Stay compliant. Wave Payroll can help you stay compliant with all applicable tax laws. Who is Wave Payroll for? Wave Payroll is a great option for small businesses of all sizes. It's especially well suited for businesses that are just starting out or that don't have a dedicated HR or accounting department. How to get started with Wave Payroll. Getting started with Wave Payroll is easy. Just sign up for a free trial and you'll be able to start using the service immediately. Pricing. Wave Payroll offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different businesses. You can choose a plan that's right for you based on the size of your company and the number of employees you have. Here are a few additional tips for using Wave Payroll. Set up direct deposit. This will make it easier for your employees to get paid. Track your employees' time. This will help you make sure they're getting paid for the work they do. Use the reporting feature. This will help you track your payroll expenses and stay compliant with tax laws. Attend Wave Payroll webinars. Wave Payroll offers a variety of webinars that can help you learn more about how to use the service. Wave Payroll is a great payroll service that can help you save time, money, and stress. If you're looking for a payroll service that's easy to use and packed with features, Wave Payroll is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Wave Payroll, please visit the Wave Payroll website or sign up for a free trial. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.